Hello everyone, I am Saidit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, to compare the camera comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus iQOO 7 device. So which phone is best in terms of the camera? So this complete review I'll try to conclude about the self front camera, which is best and which is the best in the night mode shots and ultra wide shots, and 50 megapixel versus 48 megapixel shots. Everything I'll try to talk in this entire video. I'll be only including about the camera samples, not the video recording. Video recording part I'll try to explain in another video, friends, because that's another interesting thing. So you should not miss that. In the next couple of hours, I'll try to focus on the camera comparisons only. I have the Poco F3 GT and Realme X1 Max as well. So I'll try to do the all comparisons together. So you'll be understanding which phone is better in terms of what kind of condition. So let's get started, friends, without wasting any time. Let's see how well this OnePlus Nord 2 camera will be compared with this iQOO 7's camera in terms of the performance. That's what I'm going to exactly test right now in this video. So let's start with the first, which is the front camera clarity. Let's see which phone has got what type of front camera clarity. So this is how the clarity looks, friends, between both phones. Is the iQOO 7's and is a OnePlus Nord 2. So in terms of the front camera, I did like the iQOO 7, to be frank. Yes, I did do the multiple times outdoor testing as well, but this is the indoor testing only. But little bit kind of I did like the iQOO 7's little bit, but not much, just a little bit. I'll try to do the in-depth testing as well, don't worry. So next I'm trying to show you is the night mode shots. Yes, so these night mode shots are absolutely brilliant in this OnePlus Nord 2. Yes, so before I got really shocked with the iQOO 7's night mode shots, the capabilities of this phone. But right now the OnePlus Nord 2 was able to handle really very good night mode shots. I can see the clarity, the details of the object, as you can see exactly the details how it is. So this is a perfect environment, friends. This is a complete darkness. Yes, it's absolute darkness. It did capture really good shots. Even the iQOO 7 was able to do, but OnePlus Nord 2 was really great in terms of the night mode. That is what the one thing which I thought of just saying to you all. Not only based on this one shot, even multiple shots. I'll try to show you side by side. Is another example where you can compare actually both phones, as you can see here. So both phones not bad in this kind of situation, okay. But in the extreme dark environment, I did find the OnePlus Nord 2 can actually take more light. Yeah. And sometimes the OnePlus Nord 2 will struggle in terms of the focusing. Yes, sometimes it doesn't focus so much. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning. And you can see the color of the floor, how it looks in the OnePlus Nord 2 versus iQOO 7. It's kind of really bright in the OnePlus Nord 2 at this moment. That's the one thing which I thought of noticing here. And in this location also you'll be able to see how the colors are exactly, as you can see. You may think there's some kind of light is going on the top, but that's not. It's complete dark environment only. As you can see the light in the iQOO 7 device, how it is in the night mode shots when you compare side by side. And this is another shot which I taken, friends, and here you can actually see it did not get focused properly in the OnePlus Nord. So sometimes when you bring the objects too close, it doesn't focus properly. But in the iQOO 7 device, I did not have that kind of problems anytime. No focusing problems in the iQOO 7 device, even when you're trying to shoot at night mode. Yes, I did not have any time, not even single time. But in the OnePlus Nord 2, I did face this kind of issues, even the focusing problems, as you can see. So you can see the plan we got focused here, but not focused on this OnePlus Nord 2. But the light you can see surrounding light. This all the wall surrounding light, you can see how it is. It's kind of good in the OnePlus Nord 2. Yes. So overall, the OnePlus Nord 2 has got the really good night mode shot. That's one thing we got a conclusion. Next, this is a front camera shot which I taken outdoor front camera shot, as you can see. This is how the clarity looks in the iQOO 7 versus the OnePlus Nord 2 front camera. You can see, friends. And I'll try to do the in-depth camera comparison as well, little bit more going into the outdoor farm area, and then I'll try to compare. Then you'll be able to understand a little bit kind of more details. And this is another shot which I taken using the Full HD 48 megapixel lens, Ultra HD in the OnePlus device as well. As you can see, this much you can actually zoom into the subject, as you can see here, the clarity and the details how it is between both phones. Not bad in this kind of extreme situation. It's kind of good, I would say. Not much complaints. Next is 10x shots. So these are the 10x of zooming capabilities, and in the 10x I can definitely see one thing. The OnePlus Nord 2 has got really good colors. I mean, really good details. The details are a little bit kind of washed out in the iQOO 7 device, just a little bit, not much. 5x zoom, 2x, 1x and ultra wide. As you can see, these are ultra wide lens in both phones. Let's zoom into the ultra wide. What happens in the ultra wide? I did find the iQOO 7 was able to perform slightly better in terms of the sharpness and the details little bit, but I'll try to show you a little bit kind of more images as well. Later on you'll be able to understand a little bit kind of better as well. So this is another shot which are taken in both phones. So both are not bad in terms of this kind of shots. As you can see, both are really good in terms of the color reproduction. Not too much green and not too much without green, but it's kind of maintaining really equal. This is the front camera shot which are taken in both phones. As you can see here, outdoor front cam under a little bit kind of not that's direct sunlight, little bit kind of sunlight. Sometimes I'm seeing this kind of white washed out some kind of feeling in the OnePlus Nord 2 when I'm trying to take the front camera shots. I did take multiple times to test it, but still I'm getting that kind of shots only. And here's another shot which are taken in both phones. You can see the details in the OnePlus Nord 2 and the iQOO 7, the clarity how it looks in both phones. Not bad. Even the OnePlus was able to really do the good job. So only one thing is that the OnePlus Nord 2 really amazed me in terms of the night mode shots. So night mode shots were absolutely really good in the OnePlus Nord 2. That is the one thing which I can definitely confirm with that. And this is another environment which I thought of showing you. And next is this other ultra wide lens. I did take ultra wide, and these are using the Ultra HD camera shot. Ultra HD, yes. Ultra. Let me just zoom into the how far you can actually zoom in. As you can see, the clarity right now it looks kind of good in the iQOO 7 device, little bit, just a little bit. And this is a 10x of zoom. This is a maximum I can actually zoom into the subject. As you can see, not bad. And both phones are doing kind of same job in the back camera. And here also not bad in both phones. Same thing applies to this one. So when this I did take using the main camera lens only, all this kind of shots, just to show you the colors of the trees, how they look. Today is not that sunny, friends. It's kind of raining a little bit, but not much raining. And there's another shot which are taken in both phones, you can see. And not only in the back camera, I did find both phones are kind of really close to each other. Yes, nothing much difference I can actually see in the OnePlus Nord 2, which I am really impressed. Not that impressed, but both phones are kind of close to each other only, friends, in terms of the back camera. Absolutely, yes. So these are the final comparison, friends, between both phones. I am really impressed by the night mode shots in the OnePlus Nord 2, and front camera shots that's not that great in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, and the back camera looks kind of really close to each other in terms of the back camera shots. I need to do the extreme outdoor video stabilization test as well, so very soon I'll try to do that kind of video as soon as possible. But night mode shots are really great. Night mode, it's very good. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, friends. Again, I'll be trying to compare a lot of other videos as well, comparing both phones, which phone is best in terms of the camera, comparing with the Poco F3 GT. So front cam, as you can see, night mode shots are really very much amazed, but the focusing only is the problem in the OnePlus Nord little bit. If you try to come close to the subject, you cannot focus properly. This is a one shot which is, I'm really impressed by this kind of details we got here. As you can see here. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. I'll try to post so many comparisons with the Poco F3 GT and Realme X1 Max as well very soon. So stay tuned for those videos as well in case if you're interested. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.